Hello and welcome to channel. For this pattern we are going to start by pull 2, knit 1, pull 2, knit 1, and we repeat this until the end of the row. I usually use extra 1 at the end for edge. Next row we repeat by pull 1, knit 2, and we repeat 2 more rows like that, because for start this pattern we need to have 4 rows ready, because we are going to take the yarn from the 4th loop. Let's do it one more time. But for this pattern you can also use any kind of rib you like, or you can start without. Okay, let's get started. Now we are in row 5. What we have to do, we are going to pull 2. Before I knit that one, we are going to take the yarn from this one. Again, here I said in the third one, 1, 2, 3, I insert my hook and grab the yarn and take it with this one. Now it's time to knit the one I already take and the one from the first, like that. Now I pull 2 and knit 1. Let's do it again. I pull 2. When it comes in these 2, I insert my hook in my needle in the 3rd loop. Let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, insert here, grab the yarn, take it here, and then just it's time to knit these 2 together. Then 2 pull, 1 knit, and finish the work. Row 6, we just going normal. It means 2 knit, 1 pull, 2 knit, 1 pull, and 2 knit. Row 7. Row 7 we are going to repeat exactly the same as row 5. It means that I have to insert my hook, my needle in the one I made it in the row 5, and I try to grab the yarn, put it here, and then I'm going to knit these 2 together. Then knit 2 and like that. Repeat again. Insert the needle in the same stitch, grab the yarn, then try to make it these 2 knit together. Row 8 is exactly repeat as row 6. It means we are going to just normal, do whatever it is. 2 knit, 1 pull, and keep continuing. When it comes to row 9, we are going to just knit normal. It means that 2 pull, 1 knit, 2 pull. For this pattern, you need to have 3 rows to start the pattern again. So let's do it one more time. Row 11, now I'm in row 11 right now. What we have to do, as you can see here in row 5, I start the pattern in right side. Now it's time to make this pattern in left side. What we have to do is we are going to pull 2, knit 1, pull 2. When it comes to that one, maybe it's better to use your needle. Then I use the hook, it's more easy for me. Grab the yarn, take it with this one, and then I'm going to knit this and this one together. So let's do it again. We're going to knit 1, pull 2. When it comes to that one, I'm going to insert my hook here, take that one, and then just knit them together, and then pull 2 at the end. Row 12 is like row 6, just normal knitting. 2 knit, 1 pull, 2 knit, 1 pull. Keep continue until the end of the row. Row 13. We repeat row 11. It means that we are going to knit 1, 2 pull, and insert the hook in the same we already made. Grab the yarn and this one and the one here we are going to knit together. So as you can see, this pattern repeat twice. Let's do it again. Set the hook in the same, and then grab the yarn, then knit these together. And this is the repetition of this pattern. You have to knit 3 more rows, normal one, and then when it comes after 3 rows, you have to start again like row 5, then again 3 rows and start the pattern in the left side. If you repeat this pattern after for few more rows, you are going to have a pattern like this. This is the back side and front side. That's all. I hope you also enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a good day.